and today I'm going to walk you through how I took my children through the steps of mummifying Barbies for our ancient Egypt unit study.
Okay,
so shining down.
Good.
So
okay,
I can
so
be seen.
The first thing we have to do is remove the brains. Do you remember how we do that? So there's one tool for each of you. How do we do it? Out of the nose. Okay. And what did they do with the brains afterwards? That's where we're gonna put the organs. So did they keep the brain?
No.
They threw it away. All right. The next thing they did. All right, you can put your special
that big pit.
Special brain tools down. Okay. Now you can get one of these. So they made a slit on the left side of the body.
This left?
This is his left.
Oh, so.
Nope, that's the right.
Okay.
So this is the left. Nope, like on the side over here. Yeah. And then they
She has
pulled
a lot of slits now.
and then they pulled the organs out. So but they didn't pull them all out. They only pulled out certain ones.
The
Which
heart
ones?
stayed.
That's right, the heart does stay. Why does the heart stay?
Because they thought that's where all the minds come from.
Like your spirit and your thoughts and your happiness and all of that. Okay, but we did take out the lungs, right? So you can put them in we don't have canopic jars. We'll just put them in there.
We have a canopic jar.
Yeah.
We don't have enough money. We just have a canopic
Yeah.
jar.
Okay. And then the liver definitely came out.
This the liver?
That's the liver.
Okay. I don't know.
And the stomach.
Oh.
And
This is not the stomach.
that's the intestines.
So let me just...
And the lungs came out. Yep.
It all came out except the heart.
Except the heart. The heart stays. Okay. After they got them.
I am a great person.
Okay. Then they moved over to. They took great care to wash the body with a salty water.
Salt.
Your sponge is wet with water. I would avoid the heart because it is paper. It's cardstock, and so it might start to.
Of course I was going to avoid it.
So get your sponges kind of wet and then cleanse the body.
We will cleanse the body.
Take care of it, because remember, they cared very, very much about their dead.
I can't believe I'm treating a Barbie like this.
I know.
Okay.
Is she nice and clean?
Yeah.
You can put your sponge down.
He's not clean. He's filthy.
Okay, so hey guys,
Okay, now he's clean.
the next step would be to coat the bodies in natron, which is a type of
Soap.
And why would we do that?
Because it dries up all the
Fluids, yeah. We don't, I'm not going to waste that much salt to actually do that, but let's just pretend you're putting salt on them. Okay. Oh my goodness, and they've been sitting for so many days. And they're all...
The next year.
They're all dried out. Okay. The next thing they would do, if you'll come over here, I've got a Q-tip for each of you. They would cover the bodies with good smelling oils. I put a mixture of essential oil and baby oil in here.
And we just cover it in this.
So they would
Smells good.
They would cover the bodies. They wanted them to smell nice. Like I said, they took really good care of them. They cared for their dead.
Well, apparently we do. I mean, I would care if Dexter died.
Sure.
Or if you died.
Of course.
Or if
Dad died, or if Charlie died.
I would care if any.
If any loved one died. Let's move over to the wrapping
It's so
station.
oily. Wait, do we bring our Barbie?
Yes, bring your Barbie over there.
We're gonna be arrested for carrying a dead body.
You're not going to be arrested.
Oh, that little.
Did not stitch up the slit they made. They sealed on the left side, Zoe, like right here. So on the left side of the body, they would stitch it up with a waxy plaque that was the Eye of Horus.
This is not sticking on.
Like just like that, Sam.
Okay.
It's not sticking on.
Try again.
Like what?
They wrapped their dead in linen. We've got some cotton pieces here. It's an old dish towel.
Oh.
Not that. Those we'll get to in a minute. We've also got some gauze. You can use both. But we start at the head. They wrapped the head first and then worked their way down. I've got these things here that we're going to pretend are amulets. So they would tuck these into the layers of wrapping.
Okay, 1 second.
But I
need
would-
a little space. See, I am.
Make sure you tuck some amulets in. Just stick it under the wrappings.
Then we put some gauze. Oh my god, oh my god.
Okay, so after they finished wrapping the mummies, they added a layer of linen cloth on top and then started to wrap it up. Just kind of pull it together as you need to and just wrap it around.
Okay, I'm done.
Moved on over to our resin station. The Egyptians would add a coat of resin to make their mummies waterproof. We just used school glue.
Like this.
Yeah,
Really
put more. Like,
We're almost.
you can give it a decent coating.
I think this is the last piece of the good-looking gauze.
That's fine, Sam. That's what it's there for. The next thing they did was the opening of the mouth ceremony, which is something the ancient Egyptians did to ensure that their dead could see and hear and speak and breathe in the afterlife. You touch their eyes, their nose, and their mouth so that they can see and talk and breathe in the afterlife. Here's a tool for you.
Actually, I could do this to make it kind of look like a mummy.
The last thing they did was add some glue to the heads and attach the funeral masks that they had made beforehand.
Oh, jeez. Oh, there.
Lovely.
Those looks weird.
Then they added them to the tombs they had created and put all of the items inside that they were to take to the afterlife with them. The things they're taking to the afterlife in?
There's my chocolate.
A bucket to pee in. Some yummy Chips Ahoy. Some clothing in a purse. Bracelet. So
Another purse.
a leg. Why a leg?
No, we need this leg.
Remember for Lady in the Leg.
Sam, look, it says. Mom, look.
Record it.
The last thing they did was pretend to be professional mourners, which the ancient Egyptians often used. They flailed and cried and laid on the ground, and I am going to turn the volume down on this a bit for you guys because they were loud.
And that's it. That was the whole process. They had a lot of fun with it, and it was really nice to see as we were going through the process that they actually remembered a lot of the things that we've learned so far. I find that finding hands-on projects to do with them kind of cements the things that we're reading and the shows that we're watching and stuff like that. It was a really good experience, and I hope seeing how we did it can maybe help you if you decide it's something you want to do with your homeschool or just with your kids in general. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.